nice morning riding in London. Good morning from the Olympic Park, so I'm just on my way up to the start now. So many people. The weather is phenomenal. It's so lovely and toasty. I've not even brought a rain jacket, so let's hope it stays lovely and fresh for us. I just want to get going. It was a really nice riding. There were so many people just riding together, and it's just lovely. And the roads were so nice and quiet this morning as well. So today I'm most excited. Box Hill and Leith Hill, I think. I say hill. I'll be the judge of that after. Yeah, I'll keep going. Those guys to Smiths. And they're on a tandem that is single speed.
3, 2, 1.
There were definitely hills. I'm in my lowest gear and I'm out of breath. Can't chop on a Brompton. So you get an option of hill, no hill or Leith Hill. Which one am I gonna go with? Of course I'm going with a hill. So we're about 55 miles in. I think we're just about to head up Leith Hill, but I think there might be an accident or people are walking, but come to a bit of a standstill, so good time to have a drink, some food, and yeah, it's nice. It's actually rolling hills. I would call this rolling, but yeah, no climbs yet, so we shall see how we get on. It's a really, really nice route. Weather's nice, people are nice. Actually, we're moving now, so I'll see you on the route. So we're on Leith Hill and everyone is walking. So it's not rideable because there's so many people on here.
Oh no.
Which is a bit of a shame.
No.
So I would have liked to. But I don't think there is an accident, by the way. There's a lot of people on here. So many people. So many people. Hopefully we'll get to ride the section that's 20%, but this is what happens when there's like hills in London. Whoa. Right, carrying on. Sorry there's not been much footage, it's just been like blasting around. It's just been so much fun. I was with one guy for ages. We just kept taking it in turns on the front and it's really fun. Weather is beaut. So yeah, so I'm at 90k. I've been riding 2 hours 50, so it has been pretty fast. I couldn't resist. The Audax girl in me just wanted to go to a shop on a ride. So I stopped, got a bottle of Coke, chucked it in my bottle because there was a feed stop there, but it was absolutely rammed. So I thought, oh, it'll just be quicker just to nip to a little co-op. Co-op, shop. Right, back on. See you later, thank you. Right, back on the road we go. Okay, I am very excited because in 3/4 of a mile, I'm talking only miles doing this, we're going to do infamous Box Hill. Let's see how much of a hill it is. I feel like I'm in Swiftland. definitely more of a gradient than a hill. Not a bad little view. Not a bad view.
I'll be there.
Thank you.
Nice one.
Yay. Cheers, mate.
Yeah.
So that is the finish. Finished it. Got my lovely medal. It's a monster of a medal. It is massive. What do I reckon about it? Right, try and run it down in a couple of minutes. Oh. I actually really thoroughly loved that. I did go a little bit harder than I thought. I was just kind of going, didn't stop. I didn't even stop to the toilet, which is really bad. I probably should have done. Like, it's not good. I don't recommend not being hydrated. Oh, so nice. Box Hill, definitely not a hill. It's very nice. That was probably the nicest part of it. Leith Hill, I'll give you that. That is a climb. Box Hill, no. So yeah, I'm gonna go have a little wander around, chat to you more in a little bit. But I definitely think that's a really good. If you want to do an event that was like 100 miles, this is a really good one. I actually expected there to be more kind of, not idiots, but like for it to be more, I don't know, what's the word, sketchy, and it wasn't. Everyone was really good. There wasn't really any idiots. Everyone was really good. Just honestly, such a good route. First time riding in London, I'm impressed, but it is flat. It's really good if you want to do your first 100 with a couple of hills. A couple of gradients. Box Hill, definitely not a hill though. Definitely not. Someone was on about how steep it Leith Hill was pretty steep. Someone said it was 20%. There's no way that's 20%. But that's just the northern climate in me, I guess. But made up, absolutely made up. So actually I also want to say thank you as well to Evans for inviting me down to take part in the ride. They are one of the sponsors, so yeah. So good. Perfect weather, perfect roads, really nice people. Yeah, and a nice medal. Although I don't always keep the medals. Do you always? This is a question. I was chatting to someone else about it. Do you keep the medals or do you get rid of them? I feel bad, but I probably just won't keep it. I don't keep any. I didn't even keep my 312 medal. The only thing that I've ever kept was my first 300 patch. I don't know why. Did love that though. Right, I'm gonna go and have a little drink and a little lie down. So I'll see you in a little bit. So I thought I would just very quickly share the setup I had for this ride. So I've got my top tube bag and then a little saddle bag. So basically in that one I just had all my food because I realised actually it's not 13,000, it's 30. And the food stops were huge. There were so many food and drink stops as well, but they were massive. But I just didn't want to have to stop and get in queues and stuff, so I just took all my own food. And I'm going to be doing a full review of the bike very soon because you've been asking for it. I've had it for months now and I feel like I've ridden it enough. But just very briefly, this is what this bike is designed to do. It is designed for endurance and it is so comfortable. I think it's got 28mm tyres and the frame is carbon, so you just don't feel any of the road vibration really. Some of it was a little bit gravelly, some of it was a little bit, it's potholed, it's London roads, isn't it? So yes, there's a car coming up now, oh my god. I'll just get on it properly. But yeah, I'll do a full review of that soon. I'm gonna get a load of food, a load of drink, because I'm hungry. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thanks again to Evans and Ride London for putting on such a great event. It was really good, really enjoyed it. I am like, also I feel like I should say, did I mention this before? Box Hill is not a hill. I think I did say this. I think that's what I'll call the video. Bogs Hill is not a hill. It's beautiful though. It's like such a beautiful part of it. I think that was my favourite part of the whole ride. It's stunning, really pretty, but it ain't no hill. Yeah. Thanks again. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. And one last thing before I go, I always judge how good a ride has been by the state of my hair when I take the helmet off, and I think by the looks of this, it was a good ride. So yeah, the wilder, the better the ride, I think. Right, on that lovely note, this little lion mane, I will see you next video. I've got my bagel out. And what did I see behind me? A load of bins. Keeping it classy in London. That's what Northerners do. Right, I'm gonna go now, I really need to eat. Oh god, it's so good.